So today we're gonna be testing out the Lasfit LED lighting LS Plus for the 2018 Mazda 3. So this is the car in question, 2018 Mazda 3. Let's get it. So the installation only took under 15 minutes. We're gonna go test them out. So first impression of lights, not even gonna lie, as soon as I put it out of the house, I said, yes, this is exactly what I bought them for. We went from asking ourselves, are the lights on, to having the brightest lights on the road. So definitely worth your buy. $100, bro. Can't beat it. Quick replacement. Took me under 15 minutes. Go get you a pair, bro. So the cutoff is like a perfect level. Not even gonna lie. The intensity is beautiful all the way around. I'm on an incline, so that's why it's pointing real high, but bro, when you're driving flat, that is the perfect. See, now I'm flat and my house is on an incline. It's perfect and beautiful, super bright.